Wait till you see what happens inside. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So जैसा कि in the last video I have introduced myself and given you a small idea of what this channel is going to be all about. And honestly your response was amazing. Thank you for the support guys. Now coming to today's video, ये एक ऐसा वीडियो है जिसे शेयर करने के लिए मैं बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा था. Because today I am taking you inside my factory for the first time. Yes guys, Factory Tour Part 1 starts now. As mentioned in the last video, I told you that I am a 26-year-old founder. But founder of what? So I own a factory of corrugated boxes where we manufacture and customize corrugated boxes for our clients. We mainly function for MNCs as well as we cater B2C business owners. In the part 1 of this video, I am going to show you how we make corrugated boxes starting from the raw materials to a few machineries that we use to manufacture corrugated boxes. So if you are excited to see what exactly goes inside a factory, what exactly is a factory environment and how things are made, make sure to watch till the end. And of course guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment so that you don't miss the part 2 of factory tour. Good morning. So we have started for the factory. So the guy shooting out there is my uncle and he is helping me to shoot. वो भी हमारे साथ में factory में accompany करते हैं. He goes to the factory, he basically supervises whether the work is going on right or not. So यार as discussed in the last video, मैंने आपको बताया था कि ऐसा कुछ मेरा particular motto लेके मैंने ये चैनल को स्टार्ट नहीं किया है. So it is a very random start just to maintain my consistency, just to showcase what life of a founder is जब वो एक bootstrap business या scratch से एक business को start करता है. There are a whole lot of challenges जो subsequent videos में आप लोगों को देखने को मिल ही जाएंगे. बट आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर कि आगे जाके अभी मुझे और किस तरीके के वीडियोस बनाने हैं. नाइदर आई हैव प्लान्ड एनीथिंग. आई बिलीव जैसे जैसे आप लोगों का सपोर्ट रहेगा मुझे धीरे धीरे हिंट्स मिलते जाएंगे कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई हैव टू डू ऑन दिस चैनल. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स इफ यू थिंक आई शुड क्रिएट सम गुड शॉर्ट्स रिगार्डिंग फैक्ट्री एज वेल एज पर्सनल लाइफ. इसके अलावा और हम क्या इस चैनल पे कर सकते हैं. आई विल रिक्वायर होल लॉट ऑफ सजेशंस फ्रॉम यू गाइज. फैक्ट्री पे मिलते हैं हम सीधा. सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर एट द फैक्ट्री गाइज. So that's our beautiful factory. This is one more time uncle is helping us to enter the factory. Thank you. This is our beautiful plant. This is the facade of our factory. ये सामने कुछ reels रखी हुई हैं and this is our cute puja room. This is our beautiful unloading area. यहाँ पे सारे raw materials unload होते हैं and the machine you see there in blue is the most important machine of this plant. It is known as double profile corrugation machine. रील्स को इस तरीके से हाइड्रोलिक रील स्टैंड पर माउंट करते हैं एंड देन द पेपर इज टेकन और उसे मशीन में फिट किया जाता है. यहाँ से दोनों पेपर्स पे गम लगता है एंड पेपर लाइनर के फॉर्म में बाहर आता है. दिस मशीन इज़ नोन एज गियर टाइप रील कटर. यहाँ पे जो भी साइज़ में हमें पेपर को काटना है या लाइनर को काटना है वो साइज़ हम गियर रेशियोज़ के बेसिस पे सेट करके उसे काट सकते हैं. आफ्टर विच वी कम टू द पेस्टिंग मशीन. This is where we set the box quality. 3 ply, 5 ply or even 7 ply. Using high strength starch based gum, we bond single ply with double liners to create tough, durable corrugated boxes ready for the market. Notice this. As we lift the sheet, you can see the perfectly applied gum inside. The glue lines are so consistent they are visible through our operator's fingers, guaranteeing superior strength in every board we produce. This is a rotary creasing machine, also known as the thin blade rotary creaser. The thin blades ensure precise finishing of box height and flaps. With this machine, we accurately set the box height, creasing lines and give a clean, perfect finish to every flap. And that brings us to the end of Factory Tour Part 1. We have covered a major part of the corrugated box process today. But hold on, 4 more machines are still left and we'll be covering them in Part 2. Also, tell me in the comments, do you want to see just the overview or do you want the full technical deep dive into corrugated boxes and the precise working of every machine? Because trust me, we can go very technical. And yes, before you comment, I started this video with a beard and now I am clean shaven. That's what running a factory does to you. Production pressure 1, beard 0. Anyway, if you enjoyed this factory tour, hit like, subscribe and get ready because part 2 is coming soon where we'll cover the remaining machines and take this tour to the complete next level. Thank you. See you.